Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be rating dirt bike brands, as you can see, on Tierless Maker. So I'll tell you what bikes I think are good and what are bad. So, first off, Yamaha. I'm going to first of all go ahead and say Yamaha is probably epic and legendary. Epic, yeah, Epic, they're real good, I like them. And then Honda, that's all, Honda's the best probably. Husqvarna's probably, Husqvarna, I'll say good. KTM, I know people argue they're probably the exact same thing, but not in my case. I say they're legendary as well. Suzuki, no. Then Kawasaki's okay. Okay, that's all it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you all on the next one. See ya.